Everybody, I just wanted to quickly go over how I did the dog tags. Here are the images that I'll post the results. The same settings for all of them. The only difference is between having them in focus and having them slightly off focus, between 3 and 6 millimeters. So the very dark dog tags that you'll see are in focus. There's a nice rough surface to the image, so it's entirely dependent on what you like and what you don't like. The 3 millimeters I will show you is a lighter image, but still has a slight rough surface to it. And then at 6 millimeters is when you get the nice blacks, which is especially good for text, which I'll show you as well. So it's the same settings between the text, which is 50 speed, 30 power, 25 frequency, 200 Q pulse. This is on a 60 watt MOPA. So that's for the text, and the images is exactly the same. The only difference is using a Jarvis algorithm for the dithering, which is entirely up to you which dithering you wish for. It's a single pass, takes the images take about 11 minutes. I think the text took maybe 4 or 5 minutes. The text in black is at plus 6 millimeters, so it's a nice deep black. And the images, I will show you how they come out at focus, 3 millimeters and 6 millimeters. So I hope this helps, and look forward to seeing other people's results. This is in no way the only way to do dog tags or images on stainless steel. It's just the way I've done it, the way I've played with it, and the results that I have, and I'm passing that information on. Okay, thank you. Bye.